In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide completed tasks in Asana. By the end, you'll have a clean, focused view that shows only what still needs your attention so you can work faster with less clutter. Start by heading to the Home area in Asana. Home is the main landing space that gives you a snapshot of what's important today. It's a reliable starting point because it helps ensure you're in the right workspace and grounded before you drill into your personal to-dos. Next, open My Tasks from the left-hand sidebar. This section is your personal command center. It collects every task assigned to you across all projects. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by a long list, this is where filtering really pays off. Once you're in My Tasks, we'll adjust the view so you only see what's still in progress. Look toward the top of the My Tasks view for the filter option. It's usually in the toolbar and may appear as a funnel icon. Filters don't change or delete your tasks, they simply control what's shown on screen. That means you're not losing anything. You're just narrowing the list for clarity and focus. When the filter panel opens, find the section labeled Quick Filters. Think of quick filters as shortcuts for common views. Instead of building a complicated search, these presets make it easy to zero in on exactly what you need with a single click. Choose Incomplete Tasks. The moment you select this option, all completed items are hidden from your list, leaving you with only open work. This is the fastest way to remove visual noise and keep your priorities front and center. Remember, nothing is permanently changed. Completed tasks are still safely stored in Asana. You're simply choosing not to display them right now. If you ever need to review what's finished, you can change the filter again later to show completed or all tasks. A few clarifications to help you get the most from this setup. The incomplete tasks filter focuses your current My Tasks view, and it works whether you prefer list or board layouts. It also respects task status, so if a task is marked complete, it won't appear in this filtered view. This makes daily reviews easier, keeps progress visible, and reduces the temptation to revisit work that's already done. That's all it takes. Start at home, open My Tasks from the sidebar, click Filter, use the quick filters, and pick Incomplete Tasks. With just these steps, your My Tasks area becomes a streamlined dashboard that highlights only what needs action. Enjoy the cleaner focus and get back to moving your work forward.